Hello again, it's Phil Thatch, and I'm here at Harrison Elementary School again on a Sunday morning in the spring. I think today is like April 20th or something along those lines. And it's a great place. There's this road that comes by around the school where I don't know if it's where the buses come in or what, but just past the road is this wooded area, thicket area. It's just great for birding. And I got here right at sunrise, not much light. It had rained all night last night, and man, we're on the cold side of a cold front, and it is cold. It's way too cold for me to be wearing a t-shirt, but I was working from inside the car, so I was fine during that. First bird I saw was a Carolina wren, and I made a few shots of it in very low light. There it is, the first shot of the day. It's a beautiful little Carolina wren, and it was really close to me. So it's not cropped a lot. When I go 100%, it gets huge on this 4K screen recording we're doing here. And just beautiful. I'm always happy to see a Carolina wren. Let's check the settings. This one's 500 millimeters on the 100 to 500, wide open at 7.1, a very slow 1/160th of a second shutter speed, and my ISO came out at 3,200. I'm not sure if I mentioned it yet, but today I'm using my Canon R5 Mark II and the 100 to 500 lens. I know I'm out of rotation with my cameras, but I'm testing a third-party battery. This is my second day out shooting this camera with that battery, and it's done great. So I've got enough information to make my video about that battery, so look for that on the channel soon. The next bird I saw was a palm warbler, which I see a lot in Florida, not as much up here in Tennessee. But I got a shot of it, I'm pretty sure. Here's my next bird that I've got this morning. It's a palm warbler, and it's got a little bit more color to it than the palm warblers I've photographed recently. So I guess maybe it's coming into breeding plumage. I really don't mind all of this foliage. I just don't like this one little out of focus in the foreground branch right here. Otherwise, I like this quite a bit. This one was a long way away, but it still can get pretty big when I go 100%. Let's check the settings on this one. It's 500 millimeters, f7.1. I've sped my shutter speed up to 1/250th, getting a little bit more light now, and my ISO is down from 3200 to 640. And then I saw just briefly a pine warbler. Here's the pine warbler shot. I can't believe how lucky I've been this year and in recent outings getting pine warblers at eye level instead of looking at them way in the top of the canopy. Just really, really cool to be able to get good pictures of this bird. I hear them all the time, but don't often get good pictures, except recently. I've gotten a lot of good pictures of them. Lots of nice detail in this. We'll check the settings. It's 500 millimeters, f7.1. I've sped my shutter speed up again to 1/320th, and my ISO is holding at 640, so it's getting brighter. More shutter speed and the same ISO. I got some shots of a male northern cardinal that looked pretty nice, I think. Here's the northern cardinal. I love that it picked this area of this foliage with no foliage, just branch to perch on. And even though the head angle is kind of looking away from us, I like the way the light is hitting the eye in this, and I like the colors in this. It's pretty beautiful, and it's not tiny in the frame. Let's check the settings on this one. 500 millimeters again, f7.1, 1/320th, and ISO 640. And the next bird I saw was a northern mockingbird that I think I got some really nice shots of it, even while it was singing. Here's the mockingbird. I love the way this shot turned out. I got a number of shots of it on this same perch, but this one was by far the best. It was singing to me, had an interesting head angle. I love the yellow inside of its mouth. I think that's really cool. Lots and lots of detail when we go 100% on this one. Just all around really happy with this mockingbird shot. And we'll take a look at the settings. 500 millimeters, f7.1, 1/320th of a second. This one's in a little bit darker area, so the ISO is up to 1000 on the singing mockingbird shot. I'm pretty sure I got lots of shots of a really beautiful field sparrow. Here's a beautiful little field sparrow. Pretty close to me. Got lots of detail in this shot when we go 100%. Just love getting photographs of these little guys, and was happy to see this one this morning. The settings on this one is 500 millimeters, f7.1. I've increased my shutter speed again. I'm up to 1/400th of a second now, and my ISO has fallen to 320. I got some nice shots, but from a very long distance, of a male eastern towhee. I got a couple of shots of this male eastern towhee. This one was a long way away. It's cropped quite a bit. When I go 100%, it doesn't get much bigger at all. I got this pose and this pose of it singing, both on the same perch. Let's check the settings. 500 millimeters, 7.1, 1/400th, and 400 ISO on the first one. And the second one has the exact same settings. And I also made a video clip of it, and I'm going to play this bird back at normal speed when it sings and at 20% speed. So check this out. And then I saw a pine warbler. I had seen one earlier in the day for just a brief moment, not even sure I got a decent shot, but this time I'm pretty sure I got a good one. And here's the pine warbler again. I think I got a little bit more detail in this one than I did in the last shot earlier in the video. It was really cool to see the pine warbler twice in one shoot, and just a beautiful example of a pine warbler. The settings on this one is 500 millimeters, f7.1, 1/400th of a second, and 500 ISO. And once again, I made a video clip of this one singing. So I'll play back its song at normal speed, and then after that, you'll hear it at 20% speed. I think it's amazing the way these birds sound slowed down. So that's going to do it for me here today at Harrison Elementary School, what's gotten to be one of my favorite spots for spring birding. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, reach down and hit thumbs up. If you want to see some more stuff like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.